how to log in to Roblox on PC. So if you want to log into your Roblox account on PC, it is actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open your browser and simply navigate to roblox.com. Now you can also use the Roblox app if you want to use the app and play the game from the app. But you can come to the website and on the top right hand side you can see the login button. Just click on the login option from the top right hand side, and over here, it will ask you to enter your username, email, or phone. So just go ahead and make sure to enter your username and also enter your password and hit the login button. If you forgot your username or password, you can click on the forgot your password or username option to reset it. You can also email yourself a one-time code or use another device, but as long as the details are correct, and then you hit the login button, you should be able to successfully log in to your Roblox account after you complete the verification process. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you in the next video.